What's up, it's Susie from Hey Grill Hey, and today I'm showing you 3 fantastic, better than restaurant versions of backyard style grilled chicken breasts. We are doing a chicken cordon bleu, a chicken margherita, and a crispy chicken parm, all on your grill. If you've ever wanted to level up boring grilled chicken breasts, I got you covered, so let's get started.
We are going to kick off our crusade against boring chicken breasts with my version of a grilled chicken cordon bleu. Start with boneless, skinless chicken breasts and use a fillet knife to just gently open up a little pocket inside of those chicken breasts so they lay flat. Lay down a piece of ham. I'm using thick sliced ham from the deli. You can use thin sliced ham as well, but I really like that hefty portion of ham. And then sliced Swiss cheese. I seal these closed with just a couple of toothpicks to help things kind of stick together. And then once they're all filled, I give them a nice hearty seasoning with my chicken barbecue seasoning. It's got herbs and rosemary and whole pieces of garlic. I'm also seasoning all of the other chicken breasts that I'm going to be using for my other 2 versions of chicken as well. The chicken seasoning is a really versatile base, and we can build each flavor off of that. Once the chicken breasts are on, it's time to work on our sides and toppings. For this beautiful chicken cordon bleu, I actually make kind of this mayo Dijon dipping sauce with mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, a little bit of hot sauce, and some seasonings. The full recipe is available on my website or on the app. It's got a beautiful balance of flavor. Boop. Next, we're gonna make the topping for our chicken. We've got sliced grape tomatoes, fresh basil, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, fresh minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Once that's all mixed together, you simply set it aside until you're ready to top your chicken with it at the very end. That one's ready to go. Beautiful, so simple. We're gonna flip our chicken breasts during this cooking process as well. We don't wanna forget about them because we want them to be nice and juicy. So I've got some jarred pesto going on 2 of the chicken breasts, and then we're topping that with some fresh mozzarella cheese. Next up is our chicken parm. So that's getting some marinara sauce and then some shredded mozzarella. Pop the lid on the grill, let the cheese melt, and let that chicken finish cooking.
Oh, our chicken is so done, and it all looks so good. Now, each of our awesome chickens has each of its own awesome toppings. The chicken cordon bleu has this amazing creamy Dijon sauce that you can serve as a dipping sauce on the side, but I kind of like to drizzle it over the top, almost similar to like an Alabama white sauce. If you've had that before, it's a mayonnaise-based barbecue sauce. Similar flavors in this sauce, and it is so good on the grilled chicken with that salty ham and the creamy Swiss inside. Boom, chicken cordon bleu. Done and dusted. Next up is this margherita chicken. We've got these marinated tomatoes with the basil that's gonna tie into the pesto sauce, that fresh garlic, and you just plop that right on top and let the balsamic vinegar drizzle down the sides. Those layers and layers of flavor right there. That's beautiful. And it just looks so bougie. That looks like a restaurant grilled chicken dish. Finally, our chicken parm. Now, the fried chicken parm is a classic, but the grilled version I think brings a totally different flavor profile. But when you top it with the toasted buttery breadcrumbs, you still get that like crunchy deep fried experience, but it's not quite as heavy. And you get all of that smoky, yummy flavor from the grill. And there you have it, 3 better than the restaurant versions of simple grilled chicken breasts with flavors that just take it over the top. I mean, I've tried and tested all 3 of these multiple times, but I have to say I think my personal favorite is the chicken cordon bleu. It's just something nostalgic about that chicken cordon bleu flavor that I grew up with in my childhood, but I wanna know which of these 3 gorgeous chicken breasts you're gonna be cooking first. When you do cook them, tag me on social media at Hey Grill Hey. That way I can see them, share them, cheer you on your journey to becoming a backyard barbecue hero. See you guys next time.